Hi, I'm Jay. To be honest, this whole project actually started with this red laptop stand. My wife has always loved this one, but after using it for years, it was definitely showing its age. And the worst part is IKEA doesn't make it in this color anymore. So I thought, why not give it an upgrade? And honestly, after I finished the red one, I realized the black frame and the brown pegboard actually look really good together. Exactly the kind of style I personally like. Simple and practical. That's when I decided to make another one in black and film the whole process for this video. So now, the red version is for my wife and the black one is for me. Alright, thanks for watching. I really hope this video gives you some inspiration for your own IKEA hack. See you next time.